What is the global Sukuk market funding? Imagine a financial world where investments align with ethical values and religious principles. This is the essence of the global Sukuk market funding. Sukuk are Islamic financial certificates that serve as alternatives to conventional bonds. They representing ownership in tangible assets or services, providing returns to investors without involving interest, which is prohibited in Islamic finance. As of 2024, the global Sukuk market is valued at approximately $1.2 trillion United States dollars. This market is projected to grow to nearly $4 trillion United States dollars by the year 2033, with an annual growth rate of around 13.4%. This growth is driven by an increasing demand for Sharia-compliant financial products and government support through favorable regulations. Southeast Asia, particularly Malaysia and Indonesia, along with Gulf Cooperation Council countries like Saudi Arabia, lead the way in Sukuk issuance. Saudi Arabia has become a prominent issuer of foreign currency Sukuk, showcasing its growing influence in this market. In 2024, total Sukuk issuance reached about $180 billion United States dollars. Notable transactions include Indonesia's 30-year green Sukuk and Saudi Arabia's multi-billion-dollar issuances. The outstanding Sukuk volume is expected to reach around $1 trillion United States dollars soon. Foreign currency Sukuk issuance is particularly significant from Saudi Arabia, with forecasts estimating between 70 to 80 billion United States dollars in such issuances by 2025. The Sukuk market appeals to both Muslim and non-Muslim investors due to its asset-backed nature and ethical investment appeal. It is also witnessing growth in Sukuk linked to environmental, social, and governance projects, reflecting a trend towards sustainable finance. However, the Sukuk market faces challenges. Concentration risk exists in specific geographies and issuers. There is limited awareness among conventional institutional investors, and Sukuk-dedicated funds have relatively low assets under management, around 5.8 billion United States dollars as of mid to 0 to 5. Efforts are underway to standardize Sukuk structures and improve regulatory frameworks to enhance transparency and accessibility. From an Islamic finance perspective, Sukuk funding must comply with Sharia principles. This means avoiding interest and ensuring that the underlying assets and contracts are permissible. Sukuk issuance involves careful structuring to reflect true asset ownership or profit-sharing arrangements. This compliance ensures that Sukuk serve as ethical investment tools aligned with Islamic financial ethics. In practical terms, Sukuk funding supports infrastructure, development, and corporate financing needs in Islamic finance centers and beyond. It contributes to economic growth while adhering to Islamic legal and ethical standards. As more jurisdictions adopt Sukuk frameworks, the global Sukuk market continues to expand, offering more Sharia-compliant investment opportunities.